Welcome to the Easy Projects Adobe Creative Cloud tutorial. In this video, we will explain how to export and link files in Easy Projects from the Creative Cloud. The Adobe extension includes the ability to export and link documents with Easy Projects activities. Let's link a document or file with an activity. To do this, click Link to Activity. Choose an activity and press Link. And now the document or file is connected with this activity. If you select another file, this activity will be hidden. If you come back, the activity will be displayed again because the file was previously linked. To export the document or file into an activity, choose a type, click Quick Export to continue, select a project and activity, type content of the message, and add approvers if needed and manage files for this message. Check the box Link with Activity if you would like to link with this file. The file was exported into an activity and the activity was linked with this document. Let's check it in the activity details. Open Activity Details and go to the Messages tab. Here it is revealed and you can mark the activity as a favorite and it will appear in your Favorites tab for easy access. If you select another file to edit, you will see the same list in Favorites. That is the basic overview of exporting and linking files from the Creative Cloud into Easy Projects. Once you go into the Easy Projects platform, you will see that the file exported from the Creative Cloud and sent with the message and approval request are now revealed underneath the target project and task. If you have any questions about this topic, please contact us at success@easyprojects.net.